Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the only way control box model and compatibility. This avoids mismatched pins that cause faults. Once done, power down the main supply and verify 0 volts with a multimeter so you can work safely. Next, orient connector using the keyed tabs. Align it carefully and press until you hear a click. You feel the resistance drop when contacts seat correctly. If it resists, stop and recheck alignment rather than forcing the plug. Once the primary connector is seated, route the harness following factory clips to prevent vibration wear. Make splices with proper ferrules and 3-1 heat shrink. This prevents corrosion and intermittent contact over time. Then attach ground first to establish a reference, followed by V+ and the signal lines. This ordering reduces surge risk. Tighten terminal screws to the manufacturer's torque. Loose screws create heat and failure. If configuration jumpers exist, set them now according to your system diagram before applying power. You're at final steps. Apply power and observe current draw and LED indicators for the expected startup sequence. This tells you if initialization succeeded. Then run a simple functional test by issuing one command and watching the response while monitoring logs for errors. If something fails, immediately power down and recheck pin seating, continuity of wires, and that jumpers match the schematic. As a last quick check, swap in a known good cable. Many issues are solved by a faulty harness rather than the control box itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.